We've been coming to Cataloochee for years, and I just love this little place. It's right outside of Maggie Valley, and we've been coming for the last few years, specifically on Martin Luther King weekend. We've been really lucky year after year because we've always caught some sort of winter storm or fresh snow. I don't necessarily like snowboarding or skiing at night, but we usually try to catch at least one night, and this definitely was a great night. It was so pretty out, the temperatures were perfect. Noah actually ended up renting skis, and we just had a good time. I have a lot of fond memories here at Cataloochee with my family throughout the years. Night skiing on nights like this make it worthwhile. Even if you've had a long day out on the slopes, it's just fun to come out. Usually the lines are a little less, it's just a different vibe. And sometimes the conditions are actually better at night than they are during the day. This was a particular pretty night, and we just had fun. We just did laps, we enjoyed our time. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope if you haven't been to Cataloochee, this inspires you to maybe take a trip. And if you've been to Cataloochee, maybe this will just get a smile on your face and remind you of yeah, this little mountain. It's a fun little spot, and I look forward to going back again. Take care.
GoPro, stop recording.
Forward. There you go.
I know that guy's about to cut the nastiest edge.
Nice. All right, far left. Far left up here. Follow me. Come over here now. GoPro, stop recording.